Hi, I'm Joe. This is my Ness Customs Woodworking channel, not to be confused with my old channel from around 2014. Some of you might have subscribed to. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to get notifications of my new videos. I'm going to randomly be coming up with new stuff. This time around we have product reviews. I already have a few manufacturers lined up to do that. A little bit of traveling. I got a couple acres of land in Florida that we're going to be working on. I haven't decided if we're going to cover any of that on this channel or not, but you'll probably see some of it. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Again, please make sure that you are subscribed and hit the bell. My old channel, I don't know what's up with it, but I got completely locked out of it, so I need to try to get the numbers back up, and I appreciate all the help I can get. So I'm going to do a little bit of recap, and I will see you on upcoming videos. Those of you who don't know me from Ness Customs Woodwork on Facebook should go to Ness Customs Woodwork on Facebook and check it out, and like it, and share it with your friends, because that's my page. This is number one of what I hope to be many videos based on shop solutions. My goal is to help you find out how to get the most out of the workspace that you have available to you. So all of us would love to have a 2,000 square foot workshop, but it's probably not going to happen. So if you have a 6x8 little garden shed or a 40x50 Taj Mahal garage in your backyard, I want to show you what I've learned over time to get the most use out of all that.